I love myself, I'm confident, and I am proud of the things I'm doing. And so are you! And welcome back to another video. Today, you know y'all, I'm in my consistent, I'm in my consistent bag, I don't give a fuck. So today, we at the mall, and I don't know if it's gonna be a good video or if it's gonna be boring or what, but
we're about to get pulled out.
yeah, ice me out. So, see y'all later. See y'all now. Let's go.
So we're in Bloomies right now. This is Bloomies. I'm gonna go to Zara. Zara, hopefully their quality is as good as it used to be because they've been slipping. They were giving H&M quality, and H&M slipped years ago. This is actually from Zara. Yeah, we gotta go.
She's clocking it. She's clocking.
Yeah, I am because I don't like bad quality clothes at all. Like I could go to Shein for that. Well, not all Shein clothes are bad quality.
Oh, yeah, because I got
feel like Shein gives you what you pay for.
Yeah. No, for real. This shirt's $5. You know, I got half a shirt.
But it looks Skims dupe though.
Hello? Hello?
We not even talk about Shein because Shein be holding.
They hold it. Hold on, let me switch I can't do this anymore. But yeah, hi. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Because I'm actually looking for a new scent too.
Really?
No, I'm not getting
There's a scent Diamond has that I really like from Zara. This smells sweet.
Yeah.
It's called the Golden Decade.
What the hell?
Or you can take it back now.
Golden Decade? That sounds insane. Fit check. Oh!
Y'all, we are currently at Zara. I found a dress I ordered. Gengi. My bitch is famous, yo. You know, everybody's like, oh, aren't you thick me?
Wait. I met some of my supporters. I love y'all. One bitch was so motherfucking tea.
Yo, her body was set.
I was like, you look mad good. She like, I know you from somewhere. I'm like, where you know me from? What you want to know me from? Like, you look beautiful.
She was.
Then I met another stink in here. And I love that. And I love y'all.
That girl was fire. Like, her body was set, T.
Bro.
Like,
look at me.
she was walking with confidence. That's gonna look nice on you. You should try it on. But how much you said?
$35.
You see, and this is the thing. They probably got that from Shein, and they're gonna just resell
That
it.
ass. They just put a little bit of better material on it. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I don't know what this vlog even is, but this is for consistency.
This vlog is vibes, cause we outside.
Alright, y'all. So we about to try on things. Like, to be honest, I might window shop. I'm very used to window shopping. I used to window shop as a child a lot. Wow. I don't know if I'm posting this video, y'all. I don't. But let's try on. No, guys. I have to buy this dress. It's too cute. Oh no. I'm not supposed to be buying this, but I gotta do it. Like, let me show y'all. Yo, my mom used to make me wipe my neck and show her. She was so stressful, bro. I used to get out the shower, she'd be like, you wiped your neck? And then she would just make me show her. Look, y'all, I have to get it. It's my butt look humongous. And oh, my card information. It's like, nah, you can't see. But my butt, you can't really tell, but it looks humongous. I have to get it because my butt looks too big. This song make me want to cry. Keep burping because that's all the gas in here.
Yeah, no, you right.
Why is this top cute, y'all? Why am I gonna get it, y'all? Watch this video, y'all. Y'all gotta get me monetized,
Yeah, I'm
bro.
gonna get the pink.
I need the money back.
I feel like I put it on the second time.
No, that's cute.
I just want it shorter. Is that crazy?
I'm buying 2 things. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, please. I gotta get the money back, please. I actually love that color. So what I was talking about basically is that I really got thick. Like, how am I actually this thick? I can't see. Look at my thighs. Alright, y'all. I see y'all when we finish eating. Please cash at me so I can pay for this. Please. Thank you.
Because we
know y'all got
now.
money. Just give me my money.
Now I got a ball. Now I got a ball without you. Now I got a snatch.
But what? Why is my stomach not doing it?
Yo, she snatched just delusional. That's why I be trying to stop cursing, because I feel like cursing is not feminine. And I
Fuck off.
I personally don't like to curse. It doesn't give my vibe. I'm like 20 different people in one, I swear.
Yeah, like, bitch, just be yourself. You know you want to curse. I said nothing. I said that's good.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did. Damn, he fucking her hair up. Look, y'all see?
Sugar.
He fucking her hair up. But, we just came from Sephora.
She's gonna smell like a girl now, because she wanted to buy a perfume that smelled like a girl.
Yes, I'm a girl now, y'all. No more Dollar Tree. Yeah, move when you see real bitches walking past.
Yo, Brittany. With the loud smoking.
Yeah, we got ice cream. No.
I go home with you.
She did.
It's just a little too late for you to act right. And a little too late. It's just a little too late for you. And no, it's just a little too late. It's just a little too late.
I put her onto that song too.
No, you did not. You don't know nothing about that shit. One time this boy was paying for my stuff, and I was literally behind him like this. Literally, and y'all, I'm so serious. I was just like, no, why would I do that? That's so weird. But maybe he felt like,
You probably did feel like that guy.
because I was over here like, she was like, and how we pay? And I was like this. Like, I don't know. I don't know. How are we? And he went to it, and I was really behind him like this. I don't know. And I was from to the side, and was like, what's not going on? Like,
Literally blocking
This
you.
is
She's
Day
like, oh no, she's
Day.
not.
This is my
hey
best
y'all,
friend.
yeah, we outside, y'all.
This is Day Day, my bestie. That's my best friend. My bestie. Day Day, can I call you bestie?
Yeah, so basically, I'm just outside in the Bronx right now.
Soundview.
I'm in Soundview, top of the hill, top of the morning. So, yeah, I just want to check in with y'all real quick.
Followers on TikTok. Let me tell you.
Let
I
me.
had to send Dominic on TikTok on my For You page. Booby.
Yeah, follow Top of the Hill Classic.
TOH basketball. TOH basketball.
TOH Basketball. Follow TOH Basketball. It's right here. Y'all see it? Okay, follow it. I'm gonna edit that right there.
And you have iced tea.
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
Yeah.
Can I have iced tea, please?
Okay.
Can you put cheese on that crispy chicken sandwich and nothing on it besides onions, please?
Pain on.
Yes. And
Striking out.
yeah.
I fake wanted to get the cinnamon. I thought I was gonna fall apart if I got that shit.
I'd be like, that would bust though, for real.
I should have got that. I'm gonna probably think about it later.
I'm gonna think about it later too, because I always love something sweet after I eat. How do you get sweet and sour sauce? Then barbecue is literally that sauce.
Oh no, it's not.
I have no idea.
What sauces did you guys get?
Barbecue.
Jones?
Barbecue.
Thank you.
No.
What you got too?
Sweet and sour sauce.
I got barbecue, because barbecue's that sauce.
You got sweet and sour?
Yeah. That's the best sauce.
What do you got, more or just one?
I got like 4 sweet and sour sauce.
No, but she just told us there was no sweet and sour sauce.
She gave me mad sweet and sour sauce. You want one?
Nah, I'm fine. I ate my shit already.
Yo, why would she lie?
Nah, she played in the face.
Nah, she lied. I crazy.
You was alright?
Hi, Penny. You're late.
What's up, mama?
You're late.
What happened?
I called you like an hour ago.
So every time I call you back, it's a problem.
Why is your tone like that?
Why is this chicken?
You're crazy, yo.
You're crazy. Call your bookie.
Whose one is that? Who's that?
Which one? There's only one.
I got so many holes in her, man.
You're currently being recorded on vlog.
Mm-hmm.
Hung up. Yes, Penny.
Down.
Yes.
Oh, he faced it.
Brittany's vlogging. That was just caught on camera.
What I did?
You have so many hoes.
One thing about gods, they never die.
You're not. Stop saying. You need to stop saying things like that.
They're called immortal.
You need to stop saying things like that. We're enjoying some biggie bags right now. You missed out.
Where you at?
Where are we?
I bet you, mommy.
God bless you. Get home safe.
I've been home.
Oh. Okay, perfect.
Penny, nickel, dime.
All right.
Yo, Dominique? No, not Dominique. Brittany.
You know my name, nigga.
Most don't. You hear me?
What you said?
Most don't.
Most don't.
Yes, you do. How you remember it like that?
No, most don't.
Oh, most don't know my name?
Yeah, because I have one Brittany and she works with us.
They know her as Stickney. You don't know about that though.
You a penny, nickel, dime.
I'm on, you probably want in the back to niggas get him.
What? Yo, you a freak, bro.
Yo, what the fuck? Y'all call y'all later, y'all wow.
Later. I said that right. It was busting.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't want a sandwich. Can I get nuggets instead?
I don't like this sandwiches.
She knew I never said crispy chicken sandwich.
She gave that shit.
Like, girl, never heard me say that.
That bitch just gave anything.
She just freestyle.
I said, can I get a chicken nuggets and shit? He said, no. Yes, I can. You just being annoying. Try to act like y'all really got a policy on biggie bags and that you can only get biggie bags with a burger. At least when I go home, I don't gotta eat.
Well, go straight to the shower. What are your plans for this weekend, guys? Jones? Oh, yeah, you do work on Saturday.
The weekend?
Diamond works 7 days a week.
What?
She works at BBQs on the weekend.
Oh, that's evil still.
Jones works from Tuesday to Saturday.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we don't work on Saturdays.
Well, I know y'all making bread. No,
Not
it's
enough.
On the weekends is crazy. Right, I'm acting like I didn't just work 3 days this week. That's all I'm getting paid for.
Yeah, this sandwich is busting.
Yeah, my shit was busting. They did real good.
They
Yeah.
did.
That shit is warm.
I'm glad we got this.
Me
Yeah.
too.
I think this was well deserved.
I just. Oh. I'm sorry, Buku. The onions is just the icing on the cake.
So you weird, bro. What's that on a chicken sandwich?
Yeah, chicken sandwich with onions and cheese and mayo.
Cheese?
Did
Nah, you're wild.
y'all get cheese on your chicken sandwich?
I did.
I can't eat the cheese on a chicken sandwich.
What?
You got barbecue sauce? Some sauce. I need some sauce.
You got
I got sweet and sour sauce only.
I'll take that. What's that? I mean,
Can you catch? I'm gonna throw it.
no.
She said no.
But I don't want it to drop.
Y'all not far. Y'all not
Look.
close enough.
I can't throw it.
Ah!
Well, you dropped it?
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, you got another one.
Yeah.
Thank God.
Don't throw it. I can't catch.
I can't reach.
If that happened and that fall, it's over. Cause this is my last one. Nah. I be littering. I gotta learn.
I'm a litter.
No,
Yeah, no, I be littering.
I don't.
I gotta learn how to stop. But it don't be enough garbage cans, I feel like. I'm serious.
Do we should be looking or just like, oh, there's not one right there.
I hope my mom saw I'm on my way.
Why were all those people outside? All those people, why were they outside?
Ooh.
They were doing Uber Eats.
Oh, DoorDash.
Yeah.
Everybody wants DoorDash at 1 o'clock in the morning from Wendy's.
Let's go.
They drunk. It's Friday.
Hello. Welcome to the Bronx.
The boogie down. Yo, you know
I
Jennifer.
DoorDash from CVS at 2 o'clock in the morning. 24 hours CVS. Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
I do.
All I hear is your bag moving.
I'm so hungry. I haven't even got my shoes on. Passenger Princess. He passed me his Glock.
Clarence, and the Clarence, like, that's so.
Baddest little bitch from his Glock. Okay, I got French fry bags. I haven't had bag fries in so long, bro. I feel like ever since quarantine, they stopped doing bag fries.
What kind of drink y'all have?
I got iced tea.
I got water.
I should have got water. I was being fat.
And I don't. Oh, they gave me Pure Life.
Oh,
That's that
it's
good
not
shit.
Dasani.
Yeah, Pure Life.
Damn, I should have got water.
Wendy's is good, bro.
Yo, Chick-fil-A be getting me so mad.
Yeah, Dasani.
Yes.
Dasani's the worst shit.
How could you dare?
It opens like a soda.
You open it and it pop, right?
Like,
Like, what the fuck is up with that shit?
that ain't water.
That's not water. Yo, that shit was good. Like, that was well deserved. Today was intense. And I ate so much today.
We did. I need a good poop tomorrow.
I'm a shit so much. Yo, and this nail is hurting me. Like, I'm gonna pop these shit off tonight.
Me too. Oh,
I can't. I be needing my nails back.
Me too. I need to like wash my face and.
Yeah, that shit was good. Baddest little bitch from my block.
Oh, she about to close this?
Yes.
Let's go.
He closing the what?
The gate.
No. You scared to litter?
Is this our goodbye now, y'all?
Later, y'all. It was a good day. I had so much fun.
Good night.
Come back to TOA.
Yes, I am.
When?
I am. I'm dead ass.
When?
Whenever y'all got it.
We got it. It's Monday through Friday.
Oh, on a Friday. When I was looking at what? Why is the flash on? Let me hit it real quick. I hope y'all enjoyed that YouTube video. You know, I'm sorry. Ooh. I'm sorry that, you know, I was inconsistent, but I'm back on it, y'all, and I love you. So, please me. Oh, and give me a kiss.